So let me ask you something. Are you struggling because you're not getting leads or because you don't know how to turn those leads into actual customers? Because after working with hundreds of people, I found it's almost never just the lead problem. See, most people are stuck in what I call the NFL stage, the no friends left. They've talked to everyone they know. They tried posting, maybe even ran ads, and nothing is consistent. So they think, I need more leads. But here's the truth. You don't just need leads. You need a system that turns leads into conversations and conversations into customers. As a former math teacher, I don't guess. I look at the numbers. And here's what changed everything for me. I built a system, developed it in the first 19 months after my retirement. And that simple system now produces 10 to 15 leads every single day and 10 to 15 real conversations every day. And now the focus is the fun part. See, turning those conversations into customers. It's a simple system, the mechanism. And the best part, this is not complicated. It's just a 3-step system. Step 1, it generates 10 to 15 leads per day using simple engagement ads, nothing fancy. Step 2, you turn those leads into conversations using a structured message flow and AI follow-up. And step 3, you turn conversations into customers through a simple appointment process. That's it. No chasing people, no convincing friends and family, no complicated tech. Now, and here's where the math comes in. See, every customer in my system is worth about $20 per month in recurring income. So let's kind of do some simple math. That means if you have 100 customers, that's going to equal $2,000 a month of extra income. This is not a job. And this is not from making one sale, but from helping people make a simple switch in where they already shop or doing things. So now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, Jordan, but I tried things before. I get it. I went through over 17 different courses myself, spent thousands of dollars trying to figure this out. And what I realized was this. It wasn't me. It was the lack of a simple, repeatable system. So let me be clear. This is not another course. This is not something you're going to figure out on your own. This is a working system, and I am going to walk you through it step by step. So here's what I want you to do. Right below this video, there's a button to book a quick call. This is just a 10 to 15 minute call. No pressure. If it doesn't make sense for you, you can walk away with clarity. I'll only open a few spots per day because I'm personally walking people through this myself. So if you want to learn how to generate 10 to 15 leads a day, how to turn those leads into real conversations, and finally, turn this into consistent monthly income, go ahead, click the button. Pick a time that works for you, and I'll see you on the call. Because at the end of the day, this is just math. And once you understand the math, you can build the life that you want. So go ahead, click the button, schedule a time for the call. If you're a teacher, you'd probably love this because you're probably going through spring break. What are you going to do this summer? Do you want an extra job? Or do you want to build something that's going to last? Choice is yours. Make the call. Click the button below. This is Dr. Smith. Hopefully I see you on the inside.